Hi! Magandang buhay! We're here at San Isidro, Candelaria, Quezon. So, nandito po tayo sa binibentang 1,000 square meter na corner lot. So, at this area ay 33 meters po ang frontage niya from this post until that post. Ayan. And then, from this post naman po hanggang dun sa kabilang poste pong yun is almost 35 meters. 34.83 meters po siya. And then, katapat lang po nun yung muhon dun sa kabilang side na yun. So, clear yung area. So, wala nang masyadong ipapalinis. So, it's either kung gusto nyo po ng farming or rest house or just land banking na eventually ay gusto nyo mapataas yung value din saka kung ano pa man po ang other reasons for investment. So yan po, ano na po kayo dito, pasyal na po kayo dito para makita nyo po yung actual site. Malapit lang po ito sa Barangay Road. Dun lang po, 110 meters away. Then, from Ecotourism Road, it's just 1.5 kilometers away. And then, from highway po, it's just 2.5 kilometers. Ayan. So, maraming salamat po. And, invest now, enjoy later. God bless us all. Thank you po sa lahat. Kindly message me and contact on my Facebook account, Mary Ann Mendoza Caringal. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.